Welcome to Review Time, and today we're diving straight into the world of true American muscle as we explore the 1977 Chevrolet Camaro, a car that doesn't just represent an era, it defines it. When you look at the '77 Camaro, you're not just seeing a vehicle. You're witnessing one of the last bold statements before the muscle car scene shifted into something new. This model carries that unmistakable long-nose, short-deck attitude, the kind of design that turns casual glances into full stares. And even after nearly half a century, it still makes you feel like you're stepping into a time when cars were loud, proud, and unapologetically powerful. The 1977 Camaro continued Chevrolet's second-generation styling, a body that became sleeker, lower, and more refined compared to the raw, aggressive shape of earlier years. But don't let the smooth edges fool you. This car holds on to its muscle roots with sharp lines, dual headlights, and its iconic split-front grille. It was available in several trims, but the Z28 was the star of the show, offering improved suspension, special decals, and a performance-oriented touch that reminded drivers that the Camaro still meant business. Even the standard models offered that signature Camaro stance, wide at the shoulders, low to the ground, ready to pounce. Under the hood, 1977 wasn't exactly the golden age of horsepower thanks to the fuel crisis and emissions regulations, but the Camaro still held its own with the engines available. Most models came with a V6 or small block V8, and while the power numbers weren't as wild as earlier years, the driving experience remained engaging. The V8 had enough punch to give you that classic muscle car rumble, and if you've ever heard one of these start up, you know that the sound alone is enough to give any car lover goosebumps. The handling was surprisingly balanced for its era, with a stable feel on the road that made it enjoyable both for cruising and spirited weekend drives. Inside, the 1977 Camaro brought in a more driver-focused interior. The dashboard was angled slightly toward the driver. The gauges were clear and analog, and the cockpit-style layout made you feel like you were part of the machine. The seats were comfortable. Visibility was decent for a sporty coupe. And even though the materials were basic by today's standards, everything had a classic, authentic charm. This was a car built to be driven, not just admired. What makes the 1970s Chevrolet Camaro so special today is its blend of nostalgia, style, and timeless attitude. It's a car that attracts enthusiasts, collectors, and anyone who appreciates the raw spirit of automotive design before the digital era took over. If you're hunting for a piece of American automotive history with personality and presence, the '77 Camaro stands tall. Thanks for watching Review Time, and stay tuned for more deep dives into legendary machines.